Before we go on, like this video, smash that subscribe button, and click that notification bell right now.
Top 5 giant factories in Japan. 1. Toyota Motomachi Plant, Toyota City. Industry, automotive, cars. Why it's famous. This is the heart of Toyota. It is where the famous Toyota production system was born. They produce high-end cars like the Crown and Lexus here. It's massive and looks like a small city. 2. Fanuc Yellow Factories, Oshino Village. Industry, robotics, and automation. Why it's famous. Known as the most automated factory in the world. Almost everything is painted bright yellow. The buildings, the robots, the uniforms. In some sections, robots build other robots in total darkness. Lights out manufacturing. 3. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, Nagasaki Shipyard Industry, Shipbuilding and Aerospace. Why it's famous. One of the oldest and largest shipyards in Japan. They build giant cargo ships, cruise liners, and even parts for space rockets. The scale of the cranes and docks here is mind-blowing. 4. Panasonic Eco Ideas Factory, Kusatsu. Industry, electronics, and home appliances. Why it's famous. This is a world leader in producing refrigerators and air conditioners. It is famous for its extreme recycling programs and green manufacturing processes. 5. Nippon Steel, Kimitsu Works, Chiba. Industry, steel production. Why it's famous. This is one of the largest steel mills in the world. It covers a huge area of reclaimed land. If you want to show giant furnaces, molten metal, and heavy industry, this is the best example. How to use these in your script. When we talk about scale, we have to look at places like the Toyota Motomachi plant, where thousands of cars are born daily, or the yellow-themed world of Fanuc, where robots are literally building their own kind.